Howdy folks, Scott with Peel-Tek here, and today's kind of a special day, a different day. I know normally I come to you from the job site and I'm showing you hands-on, real job time scenarios. Well, today we're at the shop. We're going to do some decorative carpeting videos with Peel-Tek. So let's take it on into the shop here and see what we can do. Okay, well, here we are in the shop, and in this video I'm going to go over some decorative concrete staining scenarios. Now, one of the tools that I'm going to be using on this project is our new Sure-Shot Applicator. What the Sure-Shot Applicator is like a mini caulk gun, and what we'll do is we will fill it with Peel-Tek, and I will use this to run all of my lines for my field stone. Essentially what this is going to be is I'm going to mask all of those lines so that when I shoot stain on this, those lines will not get stain to them, so that when I do pull them, they will look like a grout joint. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and let this Peel-Tek dry, and the particular dye that I'm going to use on this is an acetone dye system, so it'll set up really fast, and then what we'll do is we'll peel it, and we'll get a look at what we got once we've got her peeled. Now I'm going to start peeling this. Well, here you go, folks. This is the finished product. It turned out really beautiful, I think, and we'd love to see your ideas on projects that you've done or videos that you could send in to us. Thanks a lot, y'all. There you go.